If you're a small business without much of a team, how many calls are you missing? How many lead forms are you missing or not getting back to for days? How long does it take you to get back to your leads in general? Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative, where we help small businesses and service pros make every marketing dollar count. Today, we're talking about a hot topic, automation. It sounds great and everybody's running toward it. Sometimes people get automation confused with artificial intelligence, where I suppose you could draw some similarities. There are some differences. So it sounds great. Set it, forget it. Leads and sales roll in while you sleep. That's the dream marketers love to sell you. But here's the reality. Automation without intention can make your business feel cold, robotic, even spammy, kind of low class. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start automation specifically with our CRM, which is built on the high-level platform, without losing personal touch. And this isn't a sales pitch for you. It's just demonstrating what it can do. So most of what people call automation is just bad marketing on autopilot. Cold direct messages or emails, generic follow-ups, cringe-worthy AI emails. Some of them are horrible. And let's not forget about the bot that will text you 15 times in a row. That kind of automation doesn't build trust. It burns bridges. It ruins relationships and ruins your chance. Yeah, there's some people that are marketers that will say, no, man, I make $3 million a year. They also might not care how many people they bother at all. They might not care at all. I'm different than that. I'm assuming you are too. Let me show you 3 tools, our CRM, built on the high-level platform, what I recommend for every small business. First of all, missed call text back. How many leads call and don't leave a voicemail? With this feature, if someone calls you and you miss it, they automatically get a text saying, sorry we missed you. Can I help with anything? Or can we help with anything? Okay. Once they respond to that, if they're using a cell phone, mobile phone, then a contact is established in your CRM. A dialogue is established. Okay. It's simple, fast, and it feels human, and it's really effective. Number 2, review request automation. After a job is done, this tool sends a text or email asking for a customer to leave a Google review with a direct link. It's super slick. It's really effective. One customer that I know in the Midwest had zero reviews, and they went to over 500 reviews in 9 months. That's how effective it is. So that's something you could use if you don't have any reviews. And if they don't respond within 3 days in the CRM, you can send them a reminder text and then emails if you'd like to. Add that. This is one of the easiest ways to build credibility and boost local SEO. Number 3, smart forms and appointment booking. The Max Out Creative CRM lets you build sleek forms that can qualify your leads, book appointments, and route submissions to your phone, inbox, or a pipeline that you have set up in the CRM. The best part, you're not bouncing between 5 apps. Everything is in one place. That's one of the cool things about high level, I think. Don't automate relationships, automate reminders. Follow-ups, repetitive tasks, those can be automated. But initial contact, human contact, I don't care what anyone says, that's not going to be replaced in the near term by AI until it gets a lot better. You still need to show up. You still need to respond like a real human and be a real human. The Max Out Creative CRM helps you do more with less effort, not disappear behind a bot wall. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment, or subscribe for more tips like this. They're quick, right down the middle. I'm Max from Max Out Creative, making every marketing dollar count. See you in the next video.